The backbone of any family is a mother, and for Elvis Croker and his family, his mother has always been the root of their success. Tonight, we look into the journey of a young entrepreneur who looks back at his mother's struggles as a stepping stone. Lena Reese with this success story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
One of the most popular eateries in Nosuri town, Elvis Kana Place, opened in 1996 when Ping Chan knew this was the only way to support her growing family.
The story goes way back and it's pretty emotional and pretty rough, her coming into the country. She actually went to Nauru at first. She spent some time there. She's got some family there that she helped them with their shop. So she spent some time there, and then during the coup, she decided to come to Fiji. She looked at it in a different perspective, I guess. She only had about 500 Australian dollars with her. She bought a lot of rubber bands, flip-flops, hairbands, all those little accessories. And she went back to Nauru and sold it with their currency, and she made about 10 times the profit. And with that money, she came to Fiji to start her life again. So that holiday was more business than holiday for her.
Following his passion, Elvis graduated with a diploma in architecture, but he has had to forego his passion in 2017 to help out with the family business.
I left because I thought maybe she needed help. I thought it was time for me to go back to the family business, right? I was there for about 2 years, and before that I was with an engineering firm for about 3 years. And it was about time that she started transferring her job to me. But she just can't seem to retire. She's really healthy and she's going strong.
The 26-year-old proudly shared his mom's struggles as it has led them to where they are currently.
So the business is family orientated. So basically we are all part of the business itself. And growing up in the food industry, watching her, she plays a big inspiration for me. So that's why I'm here talking on behalf of her. She's basically my role model. She's the most hardest worker I've ever seen. So she can have only a few nights of sleep, but she's always the sole provider. That was to basically put food and bread on the table, and that was life for her. And the restaurant is our life. So our history, our background, everything is basic. Our family is this restaurant.
Elvis says he will continue to support his mother, and in the process is trying to give back to her for all the hard work she has put in to raise them. He also has plans to expand the business. Lena Reese, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.